Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. Cooking and baking made easy just for you and for me sometimes too. Have you seen that? Ooh, the beautiful mustache. It is Movember. Everywhere in the world, we celebrate Movember in to create awareness for prostate cancer for men, of course. So you guys and everybody you know, make sure they go and check themselves for their prostate. You don't need to have the old school check. Just a blood test will do. So don't be afraid, gentlemen. Please go and check. Now that we talk about health in November, it's also Remembrance Day. So to all the old diggers and people who have suffered from world wars all over the world and all our personnel of the army, we really think of you and thank you. Now, I just wanted to talk about a healthy option for breakfast. Something that is easy to do and you can prepare in advance. As we know, we all time poor, unfortunately. So this week I have decided to show you how to make a quick and easy breakfast or morning snack, whatever you want. You can use it as a dessert, there's no problem either, but something simple that you can change and give a lot of variety. So make sure you stay tuned, like this channel, subscribe, share it to everyone, and use this recipe. We are going to make one of the best chia or kia pudding with nice fruits and the coulis you have probably made in my other recipe if you follow my channel. So I'll see you just after this. Okay, so you can leave your chia seed and coconut milk and honey, bit of vanilla and your pinch of salt for 2 hours to leave it overnight. Personally, I like it to leave it overnight. So like this, I can prepare either that in the morning just before we go to work, and you can keep that for 2 to 3 days. So that's the result. So from runny to look at this consistency. Looks, it feels creamy, quite nice and thick. So what I'm going to do is to use one of my old jam. So I've got few like this. So I'm keeping the jam jar from my bonne maman because I was brought up with it. What I'm doing is put a little bit of the pudding at the bottom, just like that, about a third of the jar, nice and creamy. Then if I want to add a little bit of texture, I'm adding some roasted almonds. Roasted almonds are good for you. And a bit more of the pudding. I can add some strawberry, fresh strawberry. Nevertheless, if you don't find fruit season in or fruit in season at the moment, here we're touching spring, so we should have nice fruit coming up. You can add banana, raspberry, strawberry, blueberries, any berries you want, any fruit you like, mango, all depends of the availability, but you can't find it in season. Frozen fruits are good too. If you remember me, this is my coulis. Did a raspberry coulis, so strawberry and raspberry. Plus that's going to give us a really nice color through it and a natural fruit flavor. A bit more of the pudding. Chia seed is well known to be a good source of fibers. So right in the morning, it's quite nice to have it. And brain food, as we call it. A little bit of walnuts. A little bit more of my coulis. If I wanted to present it like this. If you want to serve it as a dessert, you could add a bit of micro herbs. It's an elegant touch. And look at that. Isn't she pretty? So this is what you could easily do at home. And look at this mixture of texture and flavors. Very healthy. That's what the doctor recommend. You should try it. As I am taking that for breakfast, easy. Put the lid on and ready to go. Oh, isn't it nice? I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a nice day and see you probably next week for another recipe at Cooking with Frenchie.